You've built a solid n8n automation, but here's the problem. You don't always want to run it automatically. Maybe it should only fire on certain Zendesk tickets, not all of them. Or maybe you need a teammate to add context before it runs, or someone needs to approve something first. That's where PixieBrix comes in. PixieBrix is the front end for your n8n automations. It lets you trigger workflows from anywhere inside your browser and comes with UI components for your automations, like a button on a Jira ticket, a Zendesk ticket, a LinkedIn profile, or a quick bar to action. And before the automation fires, you can collect input from a human, add a note, make a decision, verify some data, then it sends everything to n8n. Getting started is fast. Pick your trigger from one of our options and customize it as you see fit. If you need to collect input, you can use our form brick. Customize the fields and styles for the perfect user experience. The third step is our HTTP request. Simply point it at your n8n webhook and update the data object and authorization if needed to reference exactly the format you need in n8n. And you're done. Save it, deploy it to your team. No DevOps or infrastructure is needed. If you're using n8n and want humans in the loop, give PixieBrix a try.